Welcome to another training session of TIA Portal. In today's session, we will see how we can take a backup of S7 1200 or S7 1500 PLC. Before taking the backup of any S7 1200 or 1500 PLC, there are two things which we have to consider. The first thing is that the firmware of the CPU should be above 3.0. If it is less than 3.0, then we cannot take its backup. The second thing is that you should have the same TIA Portal version installed in your laptop or PC as used by the programmer who have created that project first time or while installing this machine. For example, I am using today the TIA Portal version 13 because the program which is uploaded in this PLC was created in TIA Portal version 13. So first of all, we will connect our LAN cable to our PLC from one end, and other end will goes to the Ethernet port of your laptop. First of all, we will go to the network and internet settings, and here we will open our Ethernet and change adapter options. We will open the Ethernet properties and we will open the TCP IP version 4, and here we will enter the IP address of our network. Mostly the by default IP address of the Siemens PLC will be 192.168.0.1. We can put 192.168.0.100 IP address here. But while taking the backup of the PLC, please double check the IP address of your PLC, and you have to put the same network IP address here so that both PLC and the laptop are on the same network. Subnet mask will be 255, which comes as a default here, and just press the OK button. And as you can see that it is right now it is showing undefined network, which is fine, no problem with it. Now we will open our TIA portal and we have to create a new project here. We can give it any name. Just click on create button and it will create a new project here, and it can take some time. Okay, now we will open our programming tab and here we will add a new device. We will go to the S7 1200 CPUs and select unspecified S7 1200 CPU and just click OK here. It will add an unspecified PLC in our project. And now we will go to the project view. Okay, we will select S7 1200 backup project and go to the upload device as a new station. And here we will select our Ethernet card of the laptop. Okay, we will click on the search button here. As you can see that it has found a device at 192.168.0.1, and we can test this device by flashing its LEDs. Okay, by clicking on the upload button, we will upload its hardware configuration and blocks into our PC. Right now it is loading our data from our PLC, and as you can see that it has uploaded hardware configuration and programming blocks successfully. Now we will expand our PLC project here and we can open device configuration. As you can see that it has loaded hardware configuration of that PLC. If we open the properties bar here, and you can see that all the tags are there. We will open the program blocks, and this PLC only have OB1. We will open it. As you can see that this program is loaded in this PLC and we have taken successfully its backup. This is how we can take the backup of any S7 1200 or 1500 PLC. You can go to my channel and browse the videos that I have created over last 1 year. And so that's the end of the today's tutorial. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and till next video, take care and goodbye.